Hi friends, today I will share with you a delicious recipe. The recipe name is snake gourd egg recipe. First I cut a snake gourd in a average shape because snake gourd is a water enriched vegetable. Snake gourd have many minerals, especially calcium, iron. Cut a brinjal in average size. I cut onions small size. I cut garlic, guys. Then I will be cut chili, and this is the special chili of Bangladeshi, enriched in vitamin C. Wow, it's nice. I cut 2 potatoes. Now time to boil. I add a small amount of soybean oil. Guys, this step is very important. The egg should be fried in such a way that they mix completely with the vegetables. Make sure this step is very important, and this is the basic chemistry of this recipe. Then add all garlic, onion and chili. And boil oil. Now time to add all vegetables. Nice color, guys. Then I add some lentil. Lentil have enriched of protein. You know, guys. Add sodium chloride salt. I add water and shake it very well, that all ingredients mixed properly. Guys, I shake it that salt amount is appropriate. Add a spicy that a good flavor, guys. This is a good color, especially lentil and snake gourd. Are you see, guys? The cooking chemistry is very simple, especially mixing all ingredients properly and all kind of food, vegetable, egg, boil properly. Now time to pressure melting. This is the final stage, guys. This is a delicious food in our country, especially in Nator district of Bangladesh. Now time to taste it. I taste it with fried rice and small amount of lemon. It's very delicious, guys.